Hey guys, क्या हाल चाल? Hope every one of you watching this video right now is doing good. Myself Agniva Maiti, back with another YouTube video. So today we'll be discussing about 6 important steps which you need to take care of while you're preparing for IME and sponsorship. So basically what I've done is, I've prepared a proper roadmap which I followed during my preparation level. Moving forward, the first step being form filling. Yes, it plays a very vital role. Now what I've seen is most of the students who are preparing for these exams, they don't even know what all companies and colleges forms are out yet. So what I would suggest you all is, keep yourself updated. And how can you keep yourself updated? Keep following us on various social media platforms like Instagram and YouTube. Yes, we will surely notify you about every company and college forms. Right now in the current situation, the forms of Synergy Marine Management, TMI and IMI Noida are out. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and fill them. Coming to my second point, which is sponsorship tests. Sponsorship tests are basically computer-based tests either conducted offline or online by various companies. Companies like Fleet, Anglo and Synergy like to take the tests offline, whereas companies like Scorpio, Great Eastern and Seven Islands and Tolani like to conduct their sponsorship tests online. And what is the pattern of sponsorship tests? It is same as IME CET. +2 level of PCM, general aptitude and reasoning and English. Also companies like Scorpio like to ask questions on geography as well. Now coming to my next step, which is step number 3, personal interview. As soon as you clear your sponsorship tests, you will receive mail regarding your personal interviews. Now most of the companies take their personal interviews in offline mode, either in their offices or respective centers. Companies like Tom and Scorpio still like to take their interviews online. And what all stages are there in the interview? The interview consists of non-technical, technical, questions based on company, questions based on shipping knowledge, and of course, geography as well. Okay, now moving forward, the fourth step being IME CET. Yes, Indian Maritime University, common entrance test. You have attained a very good rank, at least a rank under 4000 in my opinion will be a good rank. You should attain this rank in order to get sponsored from a good company. Moving forward, the fifth point is medicals and psychometric. Now yes, I know most of you all don't know what a psychometric test is. Psychometric test is basically a mental ability test which is taken in order to check whether the cadet or the aspirant is basically mentally fit for going out at sea and working or not. And also a proper DG approved medical is done by a DG approved doctor. Now coming to the final step and the sixth step, which is admission procedure and documentation. After you clear your sponsorship test, interviews, you attain a good rank in IME CET and you get your medicals as well as psychometric done, the final stage is, after you receive your sponsorship letter in your hand, you have to go for your admission procedure in a college allotted by the company. It can be either the company's college itself, like Anglo Eastern Maritime Academy or Great Eastern Institute of Maritime Studies, or a tie-up college like the one I am in right now. I have been sponsored from a company called Synergy Marine Group, and I have been sent to a institute called Hindustan Institute of Maritime Training, which is a tie-up college by Synergy Marine Management. Now basically documentation consists of various processes conducted by the college itself. It consists of your 10th, 12th mark sheets, your Aadhaar, your passport verifications by the college and the company as well, and various many factors regarding it. And also people who are looking for loans as well can go ahead and start with the loan procedure if in case they require it for their 1-year DNS PC course. Now concluding it all, form filling, sponsorship tests, interviews, IME CET, medicals and psychometric, and documentation. These are the 6 steps which you have to remember if you are preparing for this upcoming August 2024 batch. So from my side, I'll sign off for now. All the best for your upcoming exams. And if in case you have any doubts and queries, feel free to contact us by the link provided in the description box below. Stay happy, stay healthy. Good day. Bye-bye.